Welcome to the 7-Day Grapefruit Diet Plan for quick weight loss. We'll be exploring the history of the grapefruit diet, its potential health benefits, and a 7-day meal plan. Let's dive in. The grapefruit diet, also known as the Hollywood or Mayo diet, dates back to the 1920s and 1930s. It was popularized by actresses during the Great Depression and experienced a resurgence in the 1970s. It's a low-calorie, low-carb, and moderate protein diet, with most variants averaging 800 to 1,000 calories. While many people lose weight on this diet, most of it is likely water and muscle, with a small amount of fat. It's also believed that grapefruit's high water content may contribute to feeling full, helping to consume fewer calories. On the grapefruit diet, you'll eat grapefruit or drink grapefruit juice with every meal. A typical meal consists of a half grapefruit or 8 ounces of grapefruit juice, salad or sautéed vegetables, meat or fish, and a cup of coffee or tea without cream or sugar. The grapefruit diet offers several potential health benefits, such as weight loss, immune system boost, improved insulin resistance, lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, and speed up wound healing. Check out the link in the description below to see the daily meal breakdown for 7-Day Grapefruit Diet Plan. That's it for this video on the 7-Day Grapefruit Diet Plan. Remember to consult your doctor before starting any new diet, especially if you're taking medication. Good luck and happy weight loss! Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos.